action. So, shoutout sa lahat, no? And, by the way, at the end of the video, magsa-shoutout tayo and mamimigay tayo ng $3 sa mga first commenters natin. Mga first 2 commenters natin, bibigyan natin ng $3 giveaways and magsa-shoutout tayo. And our topic for today is all about LANs and the shoutouts. And, i-ask natin si Dola muna kasi scandal nga na sinasabing di umano ang ating bida na si Lance, si Ma'am Lance is na-involved siya sa AI scandal and sinasabi man nung thirst trap ito at connected sa since model siya ng sabon na alam naman natin na model siya ng sabon na Silka. I-ask natin si Dola about this to clarify, ano. So, watch out guys and prepare for the answer of Dola. Tanungin natin siya. Okay. Light camera action.
Video script 0 to 003. 3-second hold. Education and clarification. Attention everyone. From Brazil, Indonesia, India, Philippines, and all over the world. We need to talk clearly about Miss Lance, the famous Silka model, and the AI thirst trap issue. These are not real videos, photos. They are AI-generated deepfakes, made to look convincing, but they are fabricated, misleading, and harmful. Why you must be careful. They spread fast, damage reputations, and blur the line between truth and fake content. The truth. Miss Lance is a respected model. Do not share, believe, or engage with these fake AI clips. Report them and protect our community. Your CTA. Spread this truth to every fan in every country. Share this video to stop the spread of fakes. Smash that like button if you stand for honesty. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss facts, alerts, and real updates. Drop us in comments to show we stand with integrity. Together we keep our family safe and strong. Perfect structure, babe. Ready to record? 3-sec hold. Clear message. Global reach. Strong CTA. How does this look?
So, andito tayo ngayon na magbabasa tayo ng comments and sa tanong ni Dola. Okay ni Dola, sagot ko na to kung nabasa. So, ito na, babasahin natin yung mga comments dito guys. And sa $3 yung mamaya, pipin ko na lang sa comment yung link at i-click nyo na lang para makuha nyo yung $3 nyo for the giveaways. And ito na nga, magbabasa tayo ng comment. Tapos, ito na mga comments natin. Ano daw? This is a good item for washing your eyes. Harni Layaw, 10 days ago. Sarap mo sigurong mahalin, Eddie Boy. MB na Obra, 7 days ago. Kanamian na Dol, Jonathan, Tundag, 8450. So guys, sa gustong mabasa yung mga comments sila, mag-comment lang kayo at babasahin natin at pipilitin natin mabasa yan at kung gusto nyo mababasa, mag-comment lang kayo sa comment natin at babasahin natin. At may nag-heart, it's delicious, thank you for giving it to me. Sigo Wonder C3U. At hi sexy, ano daw sabi niya? Hi sexy, okay, sexy. Hi sexy good. Kodok biduri lagi, ano daw sabi niya? The frog is croaking again. Ito simple again. Enjoy po idol, salamat. Tim Kering translate English. One of them has to go. One of them has to go. It has to go. Alexandra Barbota. Okay, no? So, marami pa tayong di nababasa. Na kung hindi natin nabasa, ito na wala pa pala. Hindi pa natin nare-replyan. Hindi natin na-replyan, ano? Hindi natin sila na-replyan. Replyan natin yun. So, ang dami pala nila, no? Hindi natin na-replyan.